Do you have trouble getting rid of stubborn stains? Is it hard to wash and dry your plasticware thoroughly? Do you wish you could get all of your dishes done in a go? Find out how this Bosch Series 6 dishwasher takes care of your dishwashing blues with powerful cleaning and drying. Bosch dishwashers are #1 in the world, with a customizable door panel that integrates beautifully with your kitchen design. This fully integrated dishwasher is packed with cutting-edge features for a wide range of dishwashing needs.
This dishwasher is a game changer for me for many reasons. For one, it doesn't use a traditional heating rod for drying, which uses a lot of electricity. Instead, it uses natural minerals to convert the heat from the water in the dishwasher to dry the dishes. This saves energy and lowers my utility bill. I also use quite a lot of plasticware at home, like chopping boards, lunch boxes, and I've noticed in the past that these plastics don't dry very well in dishwashers. With this dishwasher, my plasticware gets perfectly dried without any issues, much better than what I had experienced in the past. And because it's so effective, I don't get those unsightly water spots on my wine glasses. I can store them straight into my cabinets without having to do any extra wiping.
I think the hardest part of using a dishwasher, even though it makes life so much easier, is trying to fit the dishes in. I have all kinds of odd-shaped crockery and utensils that I have to try and squeeze in. This is where I appreciate the MaxFlex basket system. Luckily, there are silicone holders for securing fragile items, so I don't have to worry about breakage or scratching delicate things, like wine glasses. The shelving components are designed for flexibility to fit utensils of different shapes and sizes. There's also a cutlery drawer that keeps things really neat. The flexibility of this basket design really allows me to maximize space usage and protect my dishware. We just renovated and I'm really proud of my new kitchen. I like that this dishwasher fits so beautifully with my new cabinetry. It's also extremely quiet, so it's really helpful that the time light projects the dishwashing progress and time left in the wash cycle on the floor. It's so elegant and thoughtful because I don't have to open my cabinet all the time to check when the dishes are done. Isn't that clever? Cooking meals and washing up is a big part of my everyday life. In my family, we usually have a variety of dishes every meal, so washing dishes is really quite a chore. What I dislike most is scrubbing stubborn stains and residue of utensils. You know, like sticky rice or steamed egg? Sometimes I have to pre-soak them for a day just to make the washing easier. So really, this Bosch dishwasher is such a blessing. There's a special compartment for the dirtiest crockery, so I just put my cookware there and it wipes out the stains completely. This makes my life so much easier. I don't need to pre-soak and scrub anymore, and I save on time and utility bills.
I love having close friends and family come around for meals, and quite often I end up hosting back-to-back parties. We have pretty elaborate meals, so it's easy to use up all of my serving utensils in just one sitting. So having a good dishwasher that can keep up is absolutely essential. I really like that my dishwasher lets me speed up the wash cycle, so it only takes half the time to get my dishes clean and dry. So even after hosting a big lunch, I can rest easy that my utensils will be ready for the next group at dinner. This has been so helpful, especially for big occasions.
If you're looking to fit your kitchen design with the best help, you can count on this Bosch Series 6 fully integrated dishwasher for superior cleaning and drying with perfect results. And experience the beauty, power, and reliability of German engineering in action every time.